So, welcome one and all. More than 6 years of wait for Telangana Group 1. There is finally some kind of clarity now, with CM announcing that the government posts will be filled. Not only that, we have Chief Secretary saying today, if you see papers today, it's quite clear that the notification is coming very soon. And friends, Group 1 is one of the best jobs that you can aspire for in life, in career, and it is not an easy task. Okay, you would need at least a very serious preparation for 6 to 7 months along with writing practice. Otherwise, whatever you have waited for the last 6 7 years since the formation of Telangana, it will just vanish, the time will vanish, and it is just like now or never. So, I suggest that it is time for all of you who are aspiring for Group 1 jobs and also to get back to books and studies immediately. This is a great opportunity, and Chief Secretary has already said that deputy collectors were also there in the vacant posts. The details will be worked out soon anyway, but you don't get time again and again to study. So friends, I will tell you 3 tips. One is you should have the best explanation so that you will listen and understand. The second one is content. You need to have very updated information and very lucid, clear, crisp information which you can write in 8 minutes or 9 minutes. And also the practice, writing practice. In fact, we are the only online institute in Telangana. Of course, offline also we have a presence. Somebody who are in Hyderabad, they can always join our institute for offline batch. But we are the only institute which has been focusing on tests. See, generally there is always a focus on teaching, but we are also focusing on tests, integrated weekly tests. So anyway, 3 essential bases for success. One is the best analysis, where you will understand the concept very clearly so that the amount of reading you will do will lessen. If you understand the concept, it will be very clear. The second one is the best updated content, notes, I mean to say. The third one is writing practice, integrated writing practice. See, whatever classes you have for 1 week, you should be able to write on the weekend. And of course, a revision schedule. We will also give you a revision schedule. So this is how I request you, all of you, to start immediately right now, because there will be no time. Otherwise, whatever way you have waited, it will just be wasted. And friends, if you prepare like civil services in the same seriousness and same approach, you will definitely get top rank. Okay. So my dear friends, job aspirants in Telangana, this is the time you get back. And we are starting a new batch. We have been waiting actually, a lot of requests. Students have already enrolled. Recently there has been a talk that the notification will come, but a formal announcement we are making today. The batch will commence from December 16th. Okay, I will provide you the details, quick details of what we are to offer. And before we go there, let me tell you, those who don't know me, I am Dr. Sridhar. See friends, ours is the only institute in Telangana, as I said, which offers integrated tests. And the moment you write test, explanation becomes very, very important. You see many institutes conducting tests and not actually offer correcting and giving a personal explanation. But I have been doing a lot for the last many years. Personal explanation to one student, I am the only person who is doing it in our institute, So we'll continue the same thing. We are limiting the batch to only 200 students because the tests have to be conducted. I will explain to each one of you what is your mistake, what are the things, how do you improve. Of course, all the subjects will be covered like this. Then we have a live classes. We are not putting the old recorded videos. We have a live interactive classes where you can ask doubts. We have a not Zoom or whatever. We have a proprietary software, our website, drsridharias.com. If you see, it is a full-fledged website. Then this batch is exclusive English medium. Of course, Telugu medium will be launched soon after some days. And we don't club batches. It's not like that you take group 1, we give group 4, we do group 1 and we'll club everything. It is not like that. Actually it won't work like that, friends, because this is a very, very, different scenario. We cannot club batches. That is the fundamental thing I have always been saying. Civil's approach is different, Group 1 approach is different, Group 2 is different, Group 3 or 4 are different. Group 1 is a very top-notch batch. You just cannot, club everything and say just for the, what should I say, the popularity sake or whatever. We can't club things. So it is an exclusive, separate batch for us. And friends, another important thing is we also have what are the details. The batch commences from December 17th, not 16th, sorry, day after tomorrow. And the classes will be from Monday to Friday. Every Saturday there will be a test online mode where it will be corrected and explained to you personally within 2 days. Then the course is actually 7 months duration, and it will be completed on June 20th. So everything you will get entire information, writing practice, analysis, everything will be completed by June 20th. Of course, access will be given till the end of exams. You can always come back and do that. If one cannot attend live class, the class will be archived in his login and he can watch anytime. If some of you are working or some of you are held up somewhere, you can always see that. Then specially prepared type notes will be given every week. For example, Monday to Friday we have classes. On Sunday we will send you the material for the classes that are already over. So Monday morning you begin afresh. Then the special focus will be on also in prelims. It's a PCM batch, prelims cum mains integrated batch, so that you will also score high. And of course, here are the fee details, which is very, very affordable given the quality we are giving. We are all having very top rated national civils faculty. Of course, I myself will teach economy, then essay and history, Telangana history and Telangana movement. You, for understanding of teaching, you can always go to my YouTube channel, Dr. N. Sridhar's lectures. And friends, finally, we are a government recognized institute. We are proud taxpayers. We pay GST. So everything is transparent. Okay. So that is the point, friends. And the next important aspect is, as I already said, these are the details about our institute. Then we also have a lot of focus on bringing out your abilities and analysis to write. That is an important thing. And some of you who don't know me, of course, I am sure already many people joined. So you might have heard about me or known us. But then some of you who don't know us, don't know me especially. See here also the details. And so this is my brief profile for others, but anyway we have been quite established, well-established institute here. Okay, so friends, this is what I want to say. The only thing is that you just need to start now. So that's a very, very important point, and don't delay anything. You just start right now. That's a very, very important point. And this is my brief profile for some of you wanted to see. So friends, join us as early as possible, because the classes will begin from Monday, December 17th, and right from day one, it will go on full stream. Friends, remember one thing, time is very short. Time just flies. Once the notification comes, there can nothing be done. You will get tensed up. You don't do writing practice. You ask any of the seniors who are already written, or some of you might have already written. Of course, there is no notification after the fresh notification after the group 1 had come, other than the previous re-exam that was conducted. So we'll give you the best, and I am sure you will be happy and you will be successful if you join me in this journey to your dream, realizing your dream. Telugu medium lo kuda memo tvarlo start chestam, but it takes some time. because first we already have a lot of students who are waiting and joined for English medium. We are starting that, and the material has to be also given to you every week. So our Telugu medium material will be ready very soon. So once it is ready, we will start. Friends, the point is that we are not giving the old notes, we are not giving the old videos. We are live, we are updated to the point. Okay, so friends, please start right now. Don't waste a single minute. It is now or never opportunity for you. Okay, and the phone numbers are there. You can always call us for details and the joining process. The fee can be paid either by account transfer, PhonePe or GPay, and the details are on my website. So friends, that is how I just want to tell you. So don't miss this opportunity, because this is not going to come again. Okay, this is the once in a lifetime opportunity. You just can't miss this. So that is my request to all of you. Okay, so this is my profile, and this is the details which I already told you. Okay, and this is how, what is my background, how I am qualified to teach. Okay, I have been there for last 20 years. I can give you the best guidance. Of course, I will be teaching with the help of other faculty such as Dr. Mr. Ratnakar and other reputed faculty. The details will be given to you once you call us for the fee payment and all that. Okay, thank you very much, friends. This is the right time to begin, and please get back to work immediately, and time to read and get first rank in Telangana Group 1. I would like to see you, all of you or most of you, as successful candidates in Group 1. The first Group 1 that is coming after formation of Telangana. A long wait really. Okay, good luck, and please feel free to call me for any doubts or any clarification. I am always available. Okay, thank you, and good luck. So would like to see you all in the classes that are going to start from day after tomorrow, that is December 17th. Thank you.